Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the QQQ ETF. We previously published an initial report on our website on Thursday, January 4, 2024, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis. To stay up to date with our latest analysis, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Missing out on any crucial updates that could impact your investments is something you definitely want to avoid. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 4, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a sell candidate with a score of -2.35. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. We will closely monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that it may continue to rise. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 16.05% change over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 13.41% and 21.86%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a suggested 38.63% change over the next year. This could lead to a potential return between 27.8% and 44.76%. In terms of price, it may range from $506.45 to $573.65 after a year. Our latest update for QQQ reveals that the QQQ ETF has been downgraded to a sell candidate. On the last trading day, Thursday, January 4, 2024, the QQQ ETF price experienced a decrease of 0.515%, dropping from $398.33 to $396.28. This marks the 5th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.89%, reaching a low of $396.06 and a high of $399.59. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a total decrease of 3.15%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, aligning with the ETF's decline. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 8 million shares, with a total of 39 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $15.32 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $412.92, while the lowest price was $260.34. Currently, the price stands at 4.03% below the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $16.64. It's important to note that the current price of $396.28 is also the all-time high for the ETF. Today, we will be discussing the signals for QQQ, the popular ETF. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals for QQQ. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a negative forecast for the stock. There may be some resistance at $405.77 and $396.38 if the stock corrects upwards. However, if the stock breaks above these levels, it will issue buy signals. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a -3.70% decline so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a sell signal at the moment. Interestingly, the volume fell alongside the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, let's explore some interesting signals to consider. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have suggested a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands have shown a buy signal 11 days ago. The short-term moving average has indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average has indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 41 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average suggests a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 43 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 30 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. In this video, we will discuss support, risk, and stop-loss levels for QQQ. Let's start with the downside. Currently, the ETF has support just below today's level at $364.70 and $359.97. It's important to note that when an ETF tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. For QQQ, the next support levels are at $364.70, $359.97, and $343.66, respectively. QQQ is generally traded at a good volume and experiences minor daily changes, which makes the risk considered to be low. In fact, during the last day, the ETF had a movement of $3.53, 0.89%, between its high and low points. Looking at the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 0.92%. Before we explore the optimal trading levels for QQQ, let's start by discussing some essential fundamental data. First, let's understand the concept of the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This critical ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio could indicate a lack of optimism for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential opportunity for buyers. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $402.59. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $364.70. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this ETF, and it's important to note that no stop-loss has been set. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Despite the positive trend, we have identified several negative signals within the QQQ ETF. As a result, we anticipate weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this ETF is negative. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a sell candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and recent movements, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, January 5th, we expect the QQQ ETF to open up $1.03 and begin trading at $397.31. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock and hear your thoughts on it. Let us know in the comments if you agree or disagree with our analysis. We're also curious about your target for the ETF. Feel free to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.